Now I'm going to show you 5 different homes at the prices listed so you can get an idea of what may fit in your budget. This first house is off San Vicente Boulevard on the north tip of Montana neighborhood. San Vicente is a busy street, but the house sits far enough away that you don't really hear the street noise. It's currently listed at $22.5 million and is on a lot that's just under 21,000 square feet. This contemporary 7-bed, 9-bath was recently built in 2022 and spared no expense. The house features 21-foot automated Fleetwood doors that open up to a zero-edge pool, gym, a wet-dry sauna and Himalayan salt wall, massive windows throughout the house so you can feel the ocean breeze. The primary bedroom has a balcony that overlooks the backyard, and there are heated floors in the primary bathroom. The next house is brand new and off 15th Street, just a couple blocks from Montana. This 6,000 square foot, 5-bed and 5.5 bath features an open floor plan with living room, formal dining room, and family room. There's an office in the front of the house, big backyard with a pool. Kitchen is equipped with Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. Downstairs gym, movie theater with state-of-the-art equipment. The house uses solar panels and has a Control4 automation system. The next house is located on the north side of Montana and is listed for $5 million. This 5-bedroom, 6-bath contemporary home features a gorgeous pool and spa and the perfect outdoor area to entertain. The house is just over 4,000 square feet and sits on an 8,200 square foot lot, which is a bit larger than most of the lots in the area. This next home is listed at $2.6 million and is a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom condo located just 1 block south of Montana. Kitchen features walnut wood cabinetry and Viking appliances. The main open concept floor integrates the kitchen, main living space, and dining area. Downstairs, you have a washer and dryer. There's a 2-car garage. There's a bedroom downstairs with an ensuite bathroom. This loft-style contemporary condo boasts high ceilings and exposed steel beams. On the 3rd level, you'll find the primary suite and an ensuite bathroom. Big windows, so lots of natural light. On the other side, you have another bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. From the bedroom balcony, you have a view out west. The final home I'm going to show you is a condo located south of Montana and is listed at $849,000. This charming 1-bedroom, 1-bath features a large private patio next to the living room, small kitchen nook, recently remodeled kitchen, in-unit washer and dryer, bathroom, and 1 bedroom in the back. If you are looking to buy or sell a home in Los Angeles, our team would love to help. Contact us today.